Hey, I'm Hamid. I was quietly paying 120 a month for Zapier until I found n8n. Freelancers are now charging $500 to $2,000 per automation workflow, and their tool cost is basically zero. Let me show you exactly how in 2026. n8n is an open source workflow automation tool. Self-hosting is completely free. You run it on your own server. Their cloud plan starts at $20 per month for 1,200 workflow executions, and the pro tier is $50 per month. Zapier's equivalent plan runs $120 to $600 per month. That's the gap. Let's be real about the comparison. Zapier wins on ease of setup and polish. It's plug and play for beginners. But n8n wins on cost, flexibility, and raw power. You can write custom JavaScript inside any node, self-host for privacy, and there's no per-task pricing that kills your budget at scale. Getting n8n running is faster than you think. If you have Node.js installed, one terminal command, npx n8n, spins it up locally in under 2 minutes. For cloud hosting, Railway and Render both offer free tiers that run n8n 24/7. No server experience needed. Here's the first real workflow. An automatic email responder that categorizes incoming Gmail messages using AI and sends a personalized reply. This alone saves a freelancer or small business owner roughly 5 to 8 hours per week on inbox management. Clients pay $500 to $800 for this single workflow build. Workflow number 2 scrapes leads from a Google Sheet, enriches them using an HTTP request to Hunter.io's free API, and pushes verified contacts straight into HubSpot CRM. Zero manual data entry. Sales agencies charge $1,000 to $1,500 to build and maintain this pipeline monthly for clients. Workflow 3 is a fan favorite. It pulls an RSS feed from any blog or news source, sends the article to an OpenAI node to write a punchy LinkedIn post, then schedules it automatically via the LinkedIn API node. Social media managers in 2026 charge $800 to $2,200 per month for exactly this service. Let's talk real numbers. A freelance automation consultant in 2026 charges $500 to $2,000 per workflow build, plus $200 to $500 per month for maintenance retainers. With 3 to 5 clients and n8n's near zero tool cost, monthly revenue of $3,000 to $8,000 is achievable within 90 days. These are real Upwork and Fiverr market rates right now. The biggest n8n update in 2026 is native AI agent nodes. You can now build autonomous agents inside your workflow. Give the agent a goal, connect tools like web search, calculator, and Google Calendar, and it decides the steps itself. This is what Make.com and Zapier are still catching up to. Here's a quick power workflow. Every time a new Stripe payment comes in, n8n fires a Slack message to your team channel with the customer name, amount, and plan tier. Takes 8 minutes to build. This is the kind of workflow you include as a free bonus when selling larger automation packages. It closes deals instantly. Let's be straight about the limitations. n8n's self-hosted version requires you to manage your own server. That's a barrier for non-technical users. The cloud-free tier is very limited at 5 workflows and 200 executions per month. Customer support on the free plan is community only, no live chat. And the UI, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve than Zapier for absolute beginners. n8n is ideal for three types of people in 2026. First, freelancers and agencies selling automation services. Your profit margin is nearly 100% since the tool is free. Second, small business owners automating internal ops like invoicing, lead follow-up, and reporting. Third, developers who want full control. n lets you write custom JavaScript in any node and self-host for complete data privacy. Here's the exact pitch that works in 2026 on Upwork and LinkedIn. Search for businesses posting about repetitive manual tasks, data entry, email follow-ups, report generation. Offer a free audit call. Show them one pre-built n8n workflow live on the call and quote $750 for the full build. Close rate on this approach runs at roughly 30 to 40%. Make.com, formerly Integromat, is n8n's closest competitor at $9 per month for 10,000 operations. It's more beginner-friendly with a slicker visual interface. But n8n wins on self-hosting, AI agent capabilities in 2026, and no execution limits when you host yourself. For selling services, n8n's zero tool cost gives you a superior margin. Here's your 2026 action plan. No fluff. Day 1. Install n8n locally in 2 minutes using npx. Days 2 and 3. Build the email autoresponder workflow. Days 4 and 5. Build the lead to CRM pipeline. Day 6. Post your service on Upwork with a screen-recorded demo. Day 7. Send 10 LinkedIn outreach messages. That's a realistic path to your first paid client. n8n is genuinely one of the most powerful free tools available in 2026. The gap between what it costs and what you can charge clients is enormous. Drop a comment below. What automation are you going to build first? Subscribe for weekly AI tool breakdowns. I read every single comment.